Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine, guys, or a hybrid energy engine. The common thing between these three vehicles, they use the same drivetrain, the same engines. If you want to see where the VVT solenoid is located and what needs to be done to replace it, we'll explain that in this video today. Now, VVT solenoid is known as variable timing solenoid, and you have one of those. Most modern vehicles, newer engines, will actually have two. This one has one, but unfortunately it's not so easy to replace, so that's why we'll explain what needs to be done. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Let's go ahead, okay, open the hood now, and here, guys, okay, let's see, okay, perfect, right here. If you pay attention, guys, that's the engine. You will need to remove the upper engine cover. Now, if you want to see the step-by-step video, we have it on our channel, how to remove upper engine cover on Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion and Lincoln MKZ. It will teach you how to do that. Once you remove it, your engine resembles, okay, regular Ford Focus engine, probably from the late 2000s, guys, okay, or even early 2010s, 12s, somewhere there. That's when they were using similar design. But the newer ones, 12, Focus usually start with direct fuel injection. This is non-direct fuel injection. It has one variable timing solenoid. Some new Ford engines will start using 2 variable timing solenoids. And if you look at that engine, guys, okay, that's the valve cover, ignition coils, and that thing right here, it's your variable timing solenoids. This is the VVT solenoid. When you replace that thing, it's always recommended to replace the gasket here as well, because it can develop leaks. But if you guys pay attention, okay, that sensor, there is no bolts. So how do you remove and replace it? Unfortunately, you will have to remove the valve cover. The whole valve cover will need to come out. You need to remove the ignition coils, pull the dipstick out, remove the mount here, okay, remove all the bolts for the valve cover, disconnect the vacuum hose on the back side here. You can see, disconnect that mount and the valve cover will come out. It's quite a bit of work, but you can do it yourself. It's not too complicated, just a little bit time consuming. Once you remove the valve cover, you will have one bolt, usually 1 or 2 bolts holding the VVT variable timing solenoid. Most of the times it's 1 bolt. You remove that bolt and you replace it. Another thing, every time you remove the valve cover, it's recommended to put new gasket on the valve cover around the spark plug holes and new gasket for the VVT solenoid. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions or want to see how to clean variable timing solenoid, we have the video on the channel. It will teach you how to do that, because 9 out of 10 times cleaning the solenoid will solve your problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.